Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, I'm going to guide you through setting up an appointment booking system on your Shopify store using the Appointly app. It's quick, simple, and perfect for business offering services like consultations, classes, or repairs. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is to install the Appointly app after signing up or logging in to your Shopify store. Here's how. So log into your Shopify dashboard and on the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Now when you land on this page, you'll see a section for any apps you've already installed. If this is your first time using apps, it might look empty, but don't worry, we're going to fill it up with a super handy tool. You'll see a button that says Shopify App Store when you scroll down. This is where you find all the tools you can integrate with Shopify. For now, go ahead and click on this button and wait for the site to load. Once the App Store opens, type Appointly into the search bar at the top. Here you'll see a bunch of apps related to booking, but make sure to select Appointly. It should show up first. You'll notice its logo and some reviews on the side as well. Click on this. Scroll down to check the features if you want, but for now, hit the Add App button on the right. But since I already have it installed on my Shopify, it says Open for me. Follow the prompts to install the app, and once it's installed, Shopify will take you back to the Apps section and you'll see Appointly listed here. Clicking on it opens the dashboard, which we're going to explore in the next step. For this, let's focus on the app setup. Here, I'm just going to click on Next. Now it says here, or it explains here, that in the next steps, you're going to add your first service in the service section, set up availability in team member settings, and select your time zone in settings section. We're going to click on Next. And then to add your first service, or to add your first bookable service, you have to add a product on your Shopify first. So let's click on Products. And then add a product. And then now we can add our first service. Let's try to search for mental health consultation. As you can see, it finally started showing up here, and then let's add it as a service. It says here that our first service has already added, and we can now manage availability in team settings to manage booking schedules. Let's click on Next. Once you hit on Next and you arrive at this home page of the Appointly Booking app, you will see here bookings and conversions. And then here you will see all your revenue, your total bookings, total upcoming bookings. And then here you will see the frequently asked questions. Now to edit the availability of your booking, it says here that in the team section, we can edit the availability of this product. So let's go to team and then click on your name or your email. Since we're going to edit your own availability, just click on edit and then let's set a role for you. I'm going to add mine as owner. And then here, you can try and tweak or set your availability per week. For example, I want to make this Sunday schedule available. I'm going to click on this add slot. And then here, you can add the time you are available every Sunday. For example, I will be available from 6:30 a.m. until, let's say, 2 p.m. Then click on add slot if you want to add more. For now, I'm going to delete that. And then that's it. Sunday will be added to your available hours. It means that your customers can book this hour on that day. If you want to delete a slot, you can click on the delete button again, and then it will be deleted. It will show up, Friday will show up on my customers end as unavailable. If you want to book or if you want to make a specific day available for your customers to see, you can just select dates here. And then you can also connect your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar for an easier access for your customers. Next, you can also do Zoom integrations. You can just copy paste your Zoom meeting URL right here, and then you can connect your Zoom account right here. Now once you're done editing your availability, you can click on save to save it. Let's go back to the home page. Now let's go to this different sections right here, and I'm going to explain it to you a bit. For services, here you can see all your active services that you offer to your customers. You can see here your status and your total bookings. You can also see your upcoming bookings, and then you can edit it or delete it right here. Next is your bookings. You can see here all the appointments that were booked by your customers. You can see what appointment time or which appointment time they chose, the surveys that they chose, which team member will attend to them, which variant, their order number, and the actions. You can also check here your past bookings, all the canceled bookings, and the subscription bookings. Next is the calendar. Here you can see all the available hours for each team member on your group. You can see yours here as well. And then again for the team, here you can see all the team members on your group, and you will be able to see all the consultants here if you have more than yourself. Right here in the deposit section, you can set a deposit amount that your customers have to pay before they can book an appointment. And then once their appointment is done, they can repay or they can pay the remaining amount later. This app does not have access to customer details for charging them later. All the payments will be managed by the Shopify checkout system. Again, you can edit the payment settings here if you want this feature. Next, let's go to settings. Now you can add this appointee booking as a widget. You don't have to test it because automatically this will show up on your customer's end. So all we are going to do now is to edit the widget or how it is going to look like on their end. Let's set a schedule button text. Let's set this as book your appointment now. And then here are the pop-up settings. You can select the date text, select the time slot text, message when time slot is not selected, select variant text, select team member text. They can select which team member will be their consultant or who will attend to them. And then book now button text, customer question screen heading, and then go back button text. You can also add card page booking info settings, free booking screen settings, and you can also add it as a floating widget. I'm going to turn this on so that they will be able to see it as a floating widget. And then here you can edit the button text. For the button text, I'm no longer going to edit it and then let it be. And on click action, I'm going to choose open page. And then here you can also change your background color. I'm going to set mine as pink. Once you're done and you're satisfied with your widget, you can click on save right here. And that's it. With Appointly, you can offer a professional and seamless booking experience directly on your Shopify store. It's simple to set up, fully customizable, and makes managing appointments a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to try it out yourself and let me know how it works for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!